at him. Look at him. What? Have you got your haircut, Papa? Have you got your haircut? Have you got your haircut? Shh. Where are you going today? You're going to see your Nana and Grumps. Hello guys, good afternoon I think. Yeah, afternoon. It's 2 o'clock. Day off guys. We're going for a long drive today. About an hour drive. We're gonna go and see her.
My mum and dad.
Her mum and dad. Not mine, hers.
Mine.
Her. Nana and Grumps. You gonna see your Nana? We're going a long drive, guys. So
See the grandparents.
if you wanna come and join us, I've got a spare seat at the back. You sit with my baba. Yawning.
Yawning, you haven't been awake too long. Tired already. Hello. Just changing my watch. Because the time has changed and mine says 1 o'clock and it's 2 o'clock.
Yeah, on the other day guys, we changed the clock in here. We changed the time. They do that twice a month. Oh no, twice a year. They change the clock twice a year. They changed the clock yesterday I think. 1 hour forward.
For spring.
Because it's going to
winter.
spring now. This is the spring's looks like.
Wet and horrible. Damp and miserable.
Cloudy. And cloudy. Wet. And a little bit cold. That's why I'm wearing one layer and one jacket.
Fluffy jacket.
She got,
I got 3. I got a jumper on as
I don't
well.
know how many layers she got.
I got a jumper on as well. Got 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep me warm. But the weather's horrible today, guys. But we're going to go for a drive to see the grandparents near the seaside.
In the countryside?
And yeah, in the countryside.
Seaside in the countryside.
Bit strange, but yes. You go to the countryside and then you get to the seaside as well at the same time. So there's a beach, but the trouble is it's too damp to really go and stand at the beach, but we're going to go and have a look anyway. So guys, we're going to go for our drive and then... Right, step. Big one. Well done. He wanted to hold it.
That way.
Yeah, got there.
Hello guys, we stop in here because like we said earlier, they live in the countryside and near in the seaside.
Walk. You want to stay?
That's the seaside guys. Nice color of water. A little bit shit.
Very brown and dirty. Very horrible.
It's the seaside. Houses in there. It's really cold. It's windy. Don't run.
No, not on a slope, Joshua.
We're going down in the seaside.
obviously this is the beach where I used to live. We've come down to visit the grandparents. We thought we'd come and have a look down the beach to see what's changed. But strangely enough, because it's like a little village seaside town, nothing has really changed. Everything stays the same. Because there's a little village, well there's a little town with a little beach. So everything's just like stood still. Nothing's actually changed. I haven't been here for, I don't know, a couple of months, but nothing's any different. It's just all the same. But you wouldn't want to go swimming in that sea, guys, because it's dirty. It's brown. You wouldn't want to go and swim in there. No, I'm telling them you wouldn't want to go and swim in that sea. You wouldn't. It's horrible. But it's nice and quiet here. That's the one thing we do miss about living here, because we used to live here and it was really nice to live here. But it's just the opportunities for different things, jobs and things here isn't very much because there's only a small town. But it's nice to come back and visit. So, but it's just a bit slow. Slow pace of life here. Nothing ever changes. So, we just come back to visit for the day.
This is the place where she born.
Yeah, I was born here 30 odd years ago. Makes me feel old, but I'm not really old.
Are we going there in the Tupi?
No, we're going to walk up that slope. But yeah, 30 odd years ago, this is where I was born. And it hasn't changed really since then. There's been like a Tesco's shop put in. Things like that, but nothing really anything else, guys. Nothing really ever changes in small towns. But it's nice to come back and visit and come and see my parents, the grandparents for Joshua.
We're back in the cars, guys. We heading toward now to her mom's house. We just stop in the seaside. Just have a look if the sea is dry.
See if the sea is dry.
And hot, but it's not. It's freezing cold, windy and wavy. And we're going to her mom now. And she got a flower for her mom.
Yeah, I got some nice flowers, look guys. Because I sent my mum a Mother's Day card, but obviously I didn't get to see her, so I brought some flowers for Mother's Day, a belated Mother's Day. But just to be nice and say Happy Mother's Day.
That's why stop it, you'll get...
As you can hear, he's blowing bubbles in the back there. And spitting all over himself.
That's enough. You get choked. That's enough.
He's having fun playing in the back. So we're going to go and see Nana and Gramps now, guys. And then we'll see you in a bit.
Now we're heading to her mom's house.
We are going to my mum's.
Which is
up the road, round the corner. We're nearly there. Just round this corner, guys. Then we're there.
We're nearly there about 2 more days and we'll be there.
It's about a couple of seconds round the corner and then we're there. So we're gonna go there and say hello. See how everybody is.
Yeah, say hello and then go home.
No. We're gonna say hello, have some tea, and then we're gonna go home.
Well, I'm gonna park in the
Not
pavement.
that quick.
They're still not here.
They're not here yet. You can park. You don't have to park on the pavement. You can just park on the side.
Well, they park in the pavement.
Oh,
look.
But yeah, we're gonna stop here, guys. Have some tea. See the grandparents. Say hello. See how everybody is, because we haven't been here for a few months.
That's their house.
That's my mum and dad's house.
Is that parking as well?
See that, guys? That's my mum and dad's house. But obviously, as you can see, guys, all of the houses around here are the same.
This is they call a village. Villages.
No, this is what they call a little town. But there's nothing any different, guys. But yes, We're going to stay here for a little while, say hi, have some tea, see how everybody is. Let Joshua see Nana and Gramps.
Say hi, hello, and goodbye.
Not that quick, guys. He's just been silly Billy. But yeah, we're going to say hi, just see how everybody is.
They're still not here.
And then we'll go home in a little while. So, we'll see you in a bit, guys.
We see you again in a bit. Bits and bits.
Say bye.
How about the old man there? Old man. How about that young man there?
Old man.
The man in the back. Bye. 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 We're home. We're home. We're home. We're home. We're home. We're home. My baba had a papa. My baba had a papa. Finally, guys, we're home. Whew. A long drive, about 2 minutes drive. Is it 2 minutes? No, about an hour drive, guys. If you like our video, guys, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. So, we're gonna see you in the next video, guys. Bye for me.
Bye. See you next time, guys. Say bye. Bye.
Huh?
See you in our next video, guys.
See you guys, bye.